Hey guys, and welcome back for another kids cooking program. So this month we are making slushies. What better time than the middle of August to be making and consuming slushies, right? So this recipe is even easier than last month's recipe. All you need to do is I put a cup of Dr. Pepper in my internal bag and then try and get out as much air as possible. So the only thing that's in here is my beverage that I'm going to be turning into slush. And then I've got this bag of ice and I'm adding a quarter cup of salt to this bag of ice, okay? So we're going to dump that in there. And then we're going to take our beverage bag and also put it in here and then try and get it into the middle of the ice. There's ice on the top and on the bottom. And you can pick whatever drink you like to make into a slushie. The only thing that won't work is diet drinks. Something in their ingredient list prevents it from turning into slush. So you could do carbonated beverages, you could do juice beverages, whatever you want to turn into a slushie, basically. So yeah, these three ingredients. You need your drink, you need ice, and you need salt. And you have a big bag like this, and then they recommend using oven mitts or tea towels. That's what we have here. And then you shake it for about 5 minutes or however long it takes to turn into slush. So you're literally just gonna shake this, kind of like a paint can. And then I'm just gonna hit pause on videoing because you guys don't need to watch me shake a bag for 5 minutes. And then we'll catch you back here for the end of the video. So have fun shaking and we'll see you guys in a few minutes. All right, welcome back everybody. So time for our moment of truth here. So I shook mine not very long, and look what we have, slushy in a bag. So I did a little bit more research, and I think when we made the ice cream, I said that the salt cools the temperature of the ice, but that's not what I meant to say at all. What happens is the salt makes the ice melt, and when the ice is melting, it's stealing all the hot energy from the other materials that it's touching, i.e. the bag full of your drink. So I just wiped down the outside and I'm just going to pour my slushie into this cup here. Perfect. And you guys can see full slushie, so you can eat this with a spoon or you can put a straw in it and eat it like that. So yeah, super easy recipe, and like I said, you can do this with any beverage other than a diet drink. Lots of fun. And then what you can do is you can put this, mine's pretty melty, but you can put that back in the freezer and use it again in the future if you want to make more slushies and not be wasteful with your ice and plastic bags. So I hope you guys have so much fun making this recipe. And if you do make it at home, feel free to share what flavors you made with us. We'd love to hear it. And we hope you guys have lots of fun. And we'll catch you next month. Bye, guys.